So the AcePro, a highly underrated action camera. And one of the things that sets this thing apart from some of the other ones is the fact that it has a flip out screen. Now, you might like that, you might hate it, but today I wanted to share with you 4 different ways that I love to use this flip out screen to make it a really good feature.
Mr. Black.
Number 1 is the fact that you can pop this thing out so that when you're getting low to the ground shots, you can preview your shot, which is definitely something you can't do with the other ones. You can tilt it different ways to be able to see what you're doing, especially like if it's on handlebars or something as you're riding it, you can see your shot, make sure that it's good. Or other times where it's mounted and it's harder to see the screen, this makes it so much easier, and other action cameras don't have that. Number 2 is the fact that you can use this as a clamp and get hands-free POV shots really quickly, like this. Boom, done. You can get some really good vantage points and hands-free shots depending on what you're using it for. I mean, I wouldn't like bungee jump with it, but for those quick little POV shots, it is the fastest way to do that. And not just that, you can even clamp this thing on like a button-up shirt or a coat to get like a quick portrait POV shot, or you can put this thing on a backpack or a seatbelt or like the top of a monitor. There are so many different ways that you can clamp this thing on different places because it is actually a very strong mechanism and a very strong monitor, so it will work. Also, an important note is that if you're worried about this thing breaking, I did a whole durability test on it. I need to do more durability tests because I couldn't break it. I was throwing this thing on cement and all of that stuff, and it still works great, like it's new. It's so good. It's so durable. Before we get to number 3, if you like these quick tips and tricks videos, make sure you click that subscribe button and don't be a stranger to the channel. Also, if you have an AcePro or you're thinking about getting an AcePro, which you should, it's a great camera, make sure you click that like button and then watch YouTube do its thing. It will suggest you all these different AcePro videos. And number 3 is the fact that you can use the monitor as a little tilt angle stand. So if you have this on a table or a flat surface of the ground and you want to shoot like up to a different angle, you can use this thing and you can open it more to get a higher angle or close it down to get less of an angle, and it works, and it's just a quick way to do that. I love that. And number 4 is the fact that when you do have this flipped up so that you can vlog, in low lighting, it actually provides a nice little key light, giving you a little bit more light for your face as you're talking to it. And that works a lot if you're using it in low light situations, or even just complete darkness using the pure video, which is like magic how that works, especially compared to some of the other competitor products out there where you can't see anything. It actually works. It actually looks really good, and I think that screen does help a lot. So those are just more ways to love this camera, and of course there are a ton more. And if you want to see other cool features and other reasons why you should love this camera, you should watch this video right here. Click that one right now and watch it. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No,